Hello, guys, and welcome back. I just kind of woke up, and basically, let's talk about the inflation report. Market opens at 7 minutes, but overall, in my last video, I said right at market open, go to CNBC, and you'll kind of see the inflation number. So, as you guys can see, inflation rose 8.6%, another record, brand new record for this month. And overall, you can see that the market, priced in right around open. So pre-market, we're down around 1.5% for the S&P 500. So overall, I want to take a look at the technical analysis because again, SPY was consolidating, and I mentioned kind of like in my last video that we're going to be breaking out to the either side, and we actually broke out to the downside yesterday because the market tried pricing in the inflation report. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is I want to talk about the next week. So next week we have a lot of catalysts. We have the PPI, which is another way to measure inflation, which is the producer price index. And then next week we have, economic projections. We have the FOMC statement. We have the Fed interest rate decision, which is huge. So next week is action packed on Wednesday and Tuesday. Now, the whole thing that I'm kind of taking a look at is, we have rising inflation. The whole concern of a recession is, rising inflation where your money is worth less than, last year. We're talking about a price increase of 1.6% on fuel, over the past year, which is just absolutely ridiculous. So the whole recession, is about inflation. Now, what happens if we have rising inflation? Well, the way U.S. and the Federal Reserve control it is by increasing interest rates. So, again, this is a whole, very simple way on kind of how the economy works with by printing more money and then by raising Fed interest rate decision. But overall, pretty much next week is going to be action packed, and SPY is already down 2.38% yesterday, and now it's down over 1.5% pre-market. But overall, things are not looking very, very good for the S&P 500, especially next week. Now I have my support down below, which is kind of like our yearly low around 384, and pretty much I'll be sitting out next week. And yeah, overall, I'm just going to be watching this week. But overall, see you guys tomorrow and see you guys next week. And I kind of just woke up and recorded without a microphone, but overall, let's see how the day ends, and I'll make a updated video because my price target is kind of right around over here, and I'm just gonna chill right now because we had some pretty good swings for the past couple of weeks. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow.